Welcome to Cooking in Cuisine Thursday. Are you ready to test your brain? Ghost fact possible, we may have slipped one in, or did we? What country is widely considered the birthplace of coffee cultivation? Nailed it, Ethiopia. What is the name of the traditional Korean stew made with kimchi and tofu? Correct, kimchi jjigae. What is a chimney starter used for in grilling? Correct, lighting charcoal. What is the base ingredient used to make the fermented fish sauce known as Nam Pla, a staple condiment in Thai cuisine? Correct, anchovies. Which popular ice cream brand, known for its unique flavor combinations, was co-founded by Ben Cohen and Jerry Greenfield? Boom! Correct. Ben and Jerry's. What is the term for a pre-ferment made from flour, water, and a small amount of yeast, used to enhance flavor in bread? Nailed it! All of the above. Which of these alcoholic beverages is typically not a product of fermentation? Nailed it, gin. Which of these cheeses is generally considered the best pairing for a crisp, dry Sauvignon Blanc? That's right, fresh goat cheese chèvre. What is the name of the traditional Japanese dish consisting of thinly sliced raw fish? That's right, sashimi. What is the primary ingredient that gives red velvet cake its distinctive color? Correct, red food coloring. New trivia every day. Tomorrow's category, famous landmarks. Be there.